Alright, so in this tutorial we're gonna fix Apple Pay Hold Near Reader is not working on your phone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you need to make sure that your case isn't stopping your Apple Pay transaction. So just take your phone case out and check it. If it's not working, what you can do is just go to your settings, and then you need to type in wallet and Apple Pay, and you just need to make sure that you add your card. And if it's not working, just simply add it again, and just simply turn off live activities as well, because this sometimes glitches. So just make sure that you add your card and remove it and add it again. And after that, what you can do is just simply go to your general and then software update. Just make sure you update your device and then check. But lastly, what you can do is just restart your device and then check it after. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.